The stock rose sharply. Another batch of strong shares is coming, so get ready in advance so you can win the game. I fear not the man who has traded 10,000 shares once, but I fear the man who has traded a few analysis shares 10,000 times. Hi dear investors, welcome to my video. I'm Maggie. So this program is specially designed for Malaysian investors to learn the tactical analysis, and we will let you know the investment strategy for the current market, the pattern of bullish shares, and the movement of bankers in the chart. So I hope you make progress every day with down-to-earth mindset, and then you will achieve sustainable and stable profits from the market soon. So let's get started with the market watch, the weekly market watch. So I generally send this weekly report to all of our members and investors on Sunday. So let's take a review of this one. And of course, if you haven't received this weekly report, this market watch, so you can send the weekly report to my WhatsApp 011-1652-7962. So this weekly report is kind of a market watch for the coming weekly's operation. So you can prepare in advance, and you can also, set your support resistance in advance. So let's get a look about the market watch. So let's start with the Dow Jones, the index. So last Friday the Dow Jones increased a lot with a big young candle here, but I put some special signal here, the dynamic tips of Homely Software. So you can see that now the candle last Friday is the yellow color. Okay, the yellow color means the overbought signal in the market, and which means that there is a risk reminder. Okay, there's a risk remind you that you cannot chasing high anymore, because when you check the overbought signal before, every time the candles with the yellow candlestick, yellow signal, later after the yellow candlestick disappeared with the price breakdown, the box, so you can see it drop. So recently the yellow candlestick haven't disappeared yet, but you need to be careful. The first thing, cannot buy anymore. The second thing, if you have already, you still long in the Dow Jones, you should be careful when the yellow candlestick disappear. After it disappeared and the price break down the box, then you should be sell, or you can change to short the market. And I also put the MCDX of Homely Software here. The red chips means the profitability chips of the whole market. So you can find the market is actually not so stronger than before, because the profitable chips is just around 25% compared to before. You see last year, is actually still have a lot of profitable chips here, but this year a lot of them are yellow chips, which means that a lot of people do the short-term trading, like they are speculators, and their profit of chips is 25%. Maybe means that you can make small money. Okay, this is the Dow Jones, and then let's take a look about the KLCI. So first, when we check the monthly chart, we know that the monthly chart now the price is in the low rail, is in the decline channel, right? And it's really strong rise with the young candle after touching the bottom rise. So later, okay, we can confirm as the fourth wave. But this fourth wave of Elliott wave is in the downtrend, so is the opposite. So in the uptrend, the fourth wave is a correction, is a fallback, but in the downtrend, Elliott wave is a rebound. So you have a rebound chance now. That's why I will say about that one. And your target position is on the top rail of the channel. So this is your monthly chart. If you play medium long term, you should be careful about the monthly chart. Okay. So in the previous times, the rebound chance generally have 1, 2, 3, 4 months or 3 months 4 months or 2 months, right? 2 months or 4 months. And then when we take a look about the weekly chart, the weekly chart is in the downward convergence pattern, and I've always put this picture in our English course, and every time if you follow my course and follow my step, and you can always find the best entry of the rebound and exit in the top when the rebound finished. So now it's still in the regularity. Okay, but the point we need to we need to remind is that their space is getting smaller and smaller. So at the present, we can notice their target price to be around 1632 points, and we know in last Friday the price is get quite resistant by the 16,000, right? The 16,000. But now today, okay, on this today Monday, the price, the KLCI increased sharply, okay, in the end of the closing time. So actually the price already break out the 16,000, but only 3 points means that it might be faked, breakout. But it is a good news because why? 16,000 is really a strong resistance. So maybe the price will go sideways there, but it's better than haven't breakout, right? Because last week we also have few days increasing, but haven't break out the 16,000. Okay, this is a weekly chart, and then let's take a look at the daily chart. Okay, daily chart you can draw 2 lines, a small uptrend channel and a medium-term downtrend line. So, and in the daily chart we can we need today's rise to confirm the resistance, right? To break up the resistance, and we can use the trend expert of Homely software to check the strength of this uptrend. So you will know this rebound. So you can see last Friday the trend expert already showed the Dow candle break up the main line, so means it's very strong. So generally speaking, how to confirm is rebound reversal. We need to see after the candlestick, after the Dow candle break up the main line, the length of the column should be remain or become stronger, become longer. But if it becomes smaller, it might be breakout. Faked breakout. Okay, so today I think of course it's already breakout with longer length because today is very strong, right? So it's good news. So actually confirmed today is the uptrend. Then the fourth wave, okay, the fourth wave will be we will feel more confident on the fourth rebound wave. So that's why I record today's video to let you prepare for the for another batch of the strong shares. Okay, so very happy for kind of the market. So yeah, actually, if you haven't received our weekly market watch, yeah, you can send me the weekly report. I'd like to share with you because this report I never public share it. As long as only you send me message, I will only share in the WhatsApp group, in my WhatsApp broadcast. Okay, so thanks for your support for this one. Okay, let's go on for today's topic. Another batch of strong shares appeared. Okay, how to prepare for them. So do you remember? I think in Homely your chart number the session 2. I've talked about how to find the strong shares, right? And do you remember the model? So I've review with this for you, and I think it's still very workable in the current market. Because you know the market is always moved in the regularity, and if you can catch it, and you can make money, right? So the first thing of the first model of the strong shares is retail chip is reducing, means that the locked fund effect is decreasing. It means that most of the stock retail investors have lost confidence in some stocks that begin to cut loss. Okay, the second thing, the bull and bear expert turns red. This one is remind you the buy point. Of course, you can use other buy point if you have the one, but if you don't have the good tool for you to buy and sell point, you can use the bull and the bear expert of Harmony Software. And because it's very simple indicator, you can just check the red band and the green band to hold it or sell. Okay, the third one is better to have banker start to get involved. Means that the institution funds is coming in. Okay, so when we put in the chart, it's like this one. Okay, 3 conditions are. The first one, the retail chips, means this green chip is decreasing, right? Many people, how to say, cut loss in the market. Second one, the bull and bearish market master red, turn from green to red is your buy point. The third one is better to have banker stocks to get involved. So in the beginning stage, when you see there is a buy point here, but there is no institution funds, okay. The green chips is institution funds, okay. The green chips, the red chips is institution funds. We can also call it banker chips. So in the first time when the buy point appeared, okay, no banker chips, but the good thing is the retailer chips is reducing. Okay, also good. So it can be your buy point. So this kind of share is your buy point. Okay, but the thing is that. Okay, before we find the strong shares, we need to find the pattern of the strong shares before. Okay, so I will take a look about the last session. So means that in this chart, this is daily chart. In this daily chart of KLCI, in around, let me check, in around, this date is August 13. This date is September 17. This month, we can find what kind of the shares is stronger ahead than the index, means they increase ahead of the index. So you can find the pattern here, and you can also find the pattern here, okay, of the current one. So let's take a look about this area, the stronger shares pattern. So from here, okay, the first one should be the actually this one 3867 Malaysia Pacific Industrial is one of them. Okay, this area is around August. Okay, so you're already increasing, right? Because when the index sideways, the shares increasing ahead is kind of a strong pattern. Okay, these shares. Okay, this one is the pattern. Okay, and this one also Leong Hub, 6633. Leong Hub also starts around August, and you can see there is a buy point here, and you can also see the retail chips, the green chips decreasing, and then the banker chips, which means the red chips increasing slowly. So it's also kind of mode of strong shares, and this one also. And the first three shares, you can find that they're still strong in the car market. I just show you when they start, and the pattern is the right? Because we need to check the shares pattern first. Later, I will show you the steps how to find the current one. Okay, this one 5257 current me. So have 2 times to increasing, right? Also around this area when the index arrangements. Okay, so in this area the retailers decreasing with the bankers appears here also the same, but the difference is that this banker chip is more than this one, and later confirm your acceleration, which is more comfortable. You don't need to sell anyway, right? And you can see in this area 46 days you can make 40% profits, not bad in the current market, right? And now it's still in strong area. Even it's slightly sideways here, but you can see the bank chip is still above 75%. It means you are still safe in the market. So don't sell your good shares. Okay, don't sell your good shares by any news or by accident. Okay, by accident. And the next one, 7204. DNO Green Technology. So this share also increasing around August, right? And have this pattern, the bull and the bear expert turns their buy point, and later it shows red band. Red band means that you can hold your shares, no need to sell, no need to afraid, just hold it, relax, and make your money comfortable. And in this area, you see the retail chips decreasing, and with the banker chips appeared, and later the banker chips increasing, right? And the next one, 7022 Globaltronics. Globaltronics have 2 times pull up the price. And the recent one you can see is the around August, September. So it's around September the 6th, okay, till now, 37 days, you make money 80%, right, 80%. And also confirmed with the bankers inside, but bankers is not so stable above 50 or 75. That's why you can only make 80% profit, not 80%, right? Because it really depends on the bankers' energy, okay, energy. And the last one, 5133. Petrol Energy. Okay, from here is August 23rd. You can check here. And until now, 47 days, you can make money 88%. You know the difference between the first one? This one only make money 80%, but this share make money 88%, because you can see the bankers already stable above 75%, but the previous one haven't stable there, just sharply there and then come down. Okay, that's the difference to determine the big profit or small profit of your shares, right? So this is the strong shares pattern I reviewed with you before. But how about now? This is what you really care about. And now, can you directly buy when we meet the strong share, right? So actually two things, two notes need to remind you. Okay, the first thing, you follow the buy point with bull and the bear expert. Make sure you entry with the buy point. Second thing, arrange your portion by checking the percentage of institution funds. Means that you always check the energy of the institution funds energy, and then you can set your arrangements, your portion of your capital. Cannot put in all at the same time and exceed all your capital. Okay, that is different. So let's take a look at the first one. Okay, how about this one? Focus Lumber. Okay. Another thing, I'm not recommending the shares, just a case study. Okay, so the purpose I share this one is want to master this method. Okay, so this share focused numbers, and you can see they are the bull and bear expert turns from green to red is a buy signal, and at the same time the red retail chips are green chips decreasing is a good signal, and they later recently have a little bit bankers. Okay, but the thing I need to remind you that if your shares also like this one, the bankers less than 25%, I recommend you not put all your funds inside. Only let's say 1/3 portion or 1/4 portion as a short term, okay, which is more safe because it's still aggressive. And now the prices go back to the band. Actually, it's a good chance to entry, right? And later when the price are close with the young candle, you can actually entry. It's kind of for buy point after the correction because already higher low, right? This is the first one. Okay, the second one 5112, TH Plantation. This one also their pattern, but their bankers is more than the previous one, the number one, right? So but it's still 25% because the bankers haven't stable above 25%. Still small portion, 1/4 portion or 1/3 portion of your capital. Okay, the next one, this one is 5085 Mudajaya Group Bharat. So this share is quite popular, okay, in last week because one single day increasing so many percent, and okay, it's really how to say. We know that last Thursday already have buy point, but the good thing is that how to say small how to say profitable tips. Okay, many members coming to me ask that can I still how to say chasing high. I say that you just draw support here. If their price can get support here and they can go up again, you can hold it up, you can enter again. But if you're already in there, you can just keep holding. If it's still there and the bankers still there, but bankers is 25%. Okay, also not so strong. You can enter, but control your shares, control your portion, not too so strong. Okay, this one 7133 United U Lee Corporation. This share also their banker chips less than 25%, and here also have a buy point. Okay, short term no problem. Okay, short term no problem. Okay, this one 5145 C-Link. Okay, is you can see is quite strong share, and now the shares go sideways, right? Get sideways by the and the fall back to the point of the bull and bear experts. Actually, it's kind of good share, kind of good chance, because good share once the drop is your chance to enter again, right? And now we can notice that the banker chips is around 75%, so it's already more than 50%. Means that this share already can confirm stable profit. So if you you didn't buy this share before, you can enter again later when it go up again. But if you have this already, then you can also add a portion, and now it's still stable there. Okay, this is the share more suitable for who play mid long term, right? But short term also can. Short term you can buy here and then you sell here, right? Okay, then this one 7160 Panamaster. Okay, it's also a strong share, but now the prices go back to the band, and later when you go up, you have another chance to go in because the bankers also very stable, more than 50%. Can you check here? Yeah, the red chips the bank chips more than 50%. Means you're still stable in the market. And how about this one 7180 Cernco Resources. So this share actually also strong, very fast. You see, so and you can also notice that the bank chips more than 75%. We can consider it as a accelerated profit, means very fast. So now the prices go drop, right? So actually you can wait. Once the price drop back to the band and then go up again, is your another chance to go in. Okay, so make sure you follow the steps. Okay, follow the steps of the strong shares model here. So right, make check their retail, check their banker chips, also check their buy and sell point, and also need to always follow the right rhythm, and then also arrange your portion. Okay, in this special market, but I still very confident in the coming market, right? And if you also have shares want to diagonalize, now we have a activity between from today to this Saturday, every day from 10:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. You have chance to diagnose your shares here. Okay, you can drop by to our office, KL Central. If you are outstation, you can send me your shares, and I will try to give you the online remote control, online diagnosis. But the drop by investor is priority. Priority. Okay, so you can WhatsApp your name and your shares to my WhatsApp 011-1652-7962. So I will open 5 reservations, every day. Okay, so if you have shares, you can just send me now. Okay, and thanks for watching my video, and thanks for if you haven't subscribed my channel, you can subscribe now, and also you can leave your comments below my video to share what you want to know, what you want to hear in my next video. I will try to put your request in my video. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.